I don't know what I've done to deserve this, but here I am doing a Cool Tool Tuesday. I must have run over someone's dog. Hi, I'm Chris from Built by Chris, and it's Cool Tool Tuesday. Are you sick and tired of losing fingers at the table saw? I know I am. Get yourself one of these. They're a great piece of kit, and this one comes with magnets. And you can stick it to your table saw once you're finished, so you know where it is every time you stop using it. I was one of those blokes where I used to make my own push sticks all the time because you've got scrap wood laying around everywhere, but you know what, these things are so cheap, why would you bother? I mean, now I'm going to use all my scrap wood to make toothpicks and stuff like that, because that's what I do. These are really good. You can use them at your table saw to push your timber through the blade so you don't lose any fingers, because that can put a damper on your day. But there's also other places you can use it at, like your bandsaw, your router table. You can use it there as well, and you can use it to push people away. Push sticks. Is there anything they can't do? So if you want more information on one of these because your life depends on it, check the links down below. There's going to be information down there for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and to mine. Give it a go. You won't regret it. And I'm going to go home now and play with my push stick. Have fun, people. I'll see you next Tuesday.